Hi everybody, this is Dale. Welcome to my channel, Not Too Shabby Chic. Today I have a digital kit to show you from Happiness in Crafting, Miss G. Kerr. And this will be my May project. It will be the end of May, as you all already know because I'm slow. And G picked this kit for me. And I love it. It's just absolutely beautiful. It's called Shabby Shades of Yellow Collection, and it's muted yellows with kind of golds and greens and a pop of other colors, but it's just absolutely gorgeous. And I don't have pages printed in order. I printed these at 75% because that's about the size journal I wanted to do. But if you don't, they're full size if you purchase it. And I also printed them double-sided, except for this one. So that's one of the sheets. Absolutely beautiful. So when I fold it in half, it's just really going to be gorgeous. Well, it's already gorgeous, so I'm excited to work with this. I just have a few other things I have to get done first. Here is another page with the chandelier, the daisies and the old letter, and the watermark sort of daisies in the background with the yellows and greens. Isn't it pretty? And then she has some plain pages. Sorry. That you can use for backing pages, so printed it double-sided so that I'll have a writing page. Love it, love it, love it. This is another page with the little Chase Lounge. I'm sure that's not what they used to call them. And some flowers. It's just so pretty. And I can see one of the little Tim Holtz people sitting here. So I've already got getting some ideas just as I was printing it and looking at it. Then I backed it with another background page. It's a little different than the other. Again, the beautiful muted yellows, I guess is what I'd call it, and greens. So pretty. All of G's kits are gorgeous, as all of you know. And this is on stiffer paper. And again, this is a gate with some roses and like a peachy color. Absolutely beautiful. And then this I did not back because I'll stencil or do something else on that. Or I may glue some coffee dyed paper. I don't know yet. Here's another page with the beautiful tree and the peach and yellow rose. I'm not sure the peach shows up as peach on camera as it is in person. It's a real corally peach, really pretty, but yet it's kind of muted. And then the back is a daisy light colored page that you can journal on or do stuff with. And this is another background page. And I just used the same page I had done previously, so this is a duplicate. Here it looks like a gazebo with some beautiful flowers here and designs. It's just exquisite. So I'm really, she's challenging me up in my game here because this is very shabby chic but yet very elegant in my opinion, and I'm not really, I don't think I've ever really done an elegant truly shabby chic journal before, so we'll see. I may have to grunge it up a bit. Here are some of the ephemera pieces that she's got with the kit. She got 4 ovals on this page, 2 circles, and then the 4 small little journaling cards. I printed this at 90% because with my printer sometimes at 100% it goes off the page for some reason. I don't know why. And I printed 2 in case I wanted to use them as G calls dingly danglies, so that they would be the same on both sides, or I could mix it up. So that's why I did that. This page I did the same thing. I printed 2. There are 2 belly bands, and then 4 little banners, or you can use them as dingly danglies. 2 hearts, 2 journaling cards. It doesn't sound near as cute when I say it as when G does. I love to hear her talk. And then I printed 2 of this page with the long oval pages, the little banner shaped tags, I guess. And aren't these pretty to make little tuck spots things? So I'm excited. This is all of the pages in the kit, so you get quite a few, and it's just so pretty. So I will have a flip through of my finished product towards the end of May, and I will have many videos between now and then, so I hope you'll tune back in with me and go buy this kit. It is so pretty. You won't go wrong with this Shabby Shades of Yellow collection. So everybody have a wonderful night or day or whatever time you're watching it. Be blessed. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye-bye.